Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is second day here in Queensland, but first day for our adventure because yesterday we just arrived from Adelaide. We were very tired, so we just explored around here. But today now we are going for horse riding, and after that we'll go for jeep climbing, and I will update everything in this vlog. See ya. We are ready for our ride. Going to have some food in the cafe, and it's in the middle of the forest. We came back from horse riding and I have just changed my top, and now we are ready to go for a jeep line. This will be my second time doing it, so I think it will be lots of fun.
That's where you guys, Scotty is waiting for you.
We are going to our destination by bus.
The feet for those ones there, and then you want to grab the straps on the very outside, the shoulder straps.
Traveling by bus, and we are heading towards our Airbnb. This place is so beautiful. Yesterday we had lots of fun. So right now we are in Cape Tribulation Beach, and this beach is so beautiful. It's in between, it's in the middle of the hills and the forest. Now we have arrived in Merson's Cafe, and after that we are going for a swim. So this is called Martian swimming hole. Look, so many people over there. Beautiful. It's a nice place for swimming. We didn't have ice cream before, so we just went to Mason's Cafe and had some burger and smoothie. But right now I'm in ice cream company to have ice cream with my friends. This is the ice cream. कस्तो मिठो यो yellow.
Yellow, सबैलाई yellow मन पर्यो है मलाई क्या मिठो लाग्यो yellow.
Very very yummy. Now we are going to Noah's beach. We just need to walk through this boardwalk. I think it's called boardwalk. That's a beautiful small river. Like we can see this kind of river everywhere here. So this place is called, I think, Noah Creek. Today is our last day in Daintree, and tomorrow we will leaving Daintree and then we'll be staying in Port Douglas. See you soon, guys.